Hi everyone, it's Miros, and here on the table we have Huawei P40 Ultra, OnePlus 12 and Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and today we will compare the smoothness and animations between their operating systems or between EMUI 14.2, OxygenOS 14 and OneUI 6.1, because Oppo just released an update, or OnePlus, sorry, they just released an update for their ColorOS and OxygenOS, and they claim now everything is way more smoother. And we already knew that Huawei in terms of smoothness is the best, and OneUI 6 on Samsung devices is lag a little bit behind others, but let's compare them quickly and check is there any improvement. Okay guys, how we'll compare them? We'll just open these prepared applications here so we can check which of them is opening and closing better than the others, and also we'll check the closing application, the closing animation, opening animation, folder opening, widgets opening, and we'll just compare them. I will do that quickly on every device. After that I will show every device individually in slow motion video so we can compare better that. Also, let me just show you the update on here on OnePlus 12, and you can see OxygenOS 14.0. It is, everyone claims that this is 14.1, but this is, to me, this is still 14.0 because 14.1 will include all the AI features. So let's check what's new. Touch control. App icons on the home screen now respond faster to your taps. This is important for today's test. So they update almost everything in terms of animation. So let's start with Huawei. Very smooth. You can see how rounded is the widget. Very smooth and nice. Let's move here now to OnePlus. It is relaunching, but let's launch it again. A quicker animation. It is just doing in another way. Let's move now to me, still here on Huawei device is smoother opening and closing animation of the weather. Let's now check OneUI. Let's launch it again. I'm not sure which is better, here on here, but the best one is here on the Huawei device. Let's move now to clock widget. And here on OnePlus, yes, we have that when you close the widget, you have that beautiful animation of zooming the widget itself and the whole wallpaper. Let's check it one more time. You can see what happened, how the widget is moving when it's closing, and how the whole background is, you can see it is zooming in and out. Let's check it now here, what's happened. This is again the same effect for the wallpaper, but the widget is not have that effect when you close the clock. You can see, but the zooming effect of the wallpaper is here. Let's check one more time here, and again you have that zooming in and out of wallpaper when you are closing the app or application, but I like it here because the whole widget is moving. Now let's check for these applications. Camera, I will start with Pura. You can see how the device is going up and down because you know that we have this retractable lens here. Straight animation, quick, without any frame drops. To me it's almost perfect. Here you can see we have those rounded corners. It's going very, yes, I like it. It is smooth. It is just smooth. Let's check it now here. Now let's open a folder. You can see this zooming in and out of the wallpaper. It is very nice. All of these three has this, but let's check here. Let's check first here. By the way, here you can see it is missing zooming in and out effect of the wallpaper when you are opening a folder. I'm not sure why Samsung are not implementing this. Let's check it here now. You can see very nice and smooth. To me, up to that moment, Oppo and OnePlus are doing great job with these animations. Let me just show you something else. Let's open here. So you can see here it's straight, just going up and down, nothing special. Here it is just going left and right, nothing special. But let me show you here what is happening when you are start scrolling. You can see how here in the bottom you have that blur effect on the bottom part. When you are going down, it is blurring the applications which are down, which is again nice touch by Oppo and OnePlus. You can see how they are just, and when you close it, again nice animation. Let's close it here, the same zoom in and out animation, which is very nice. I'm not sure it's missing from the folder part. Let's do it here. Again, same smooth animation. So guys, now let's move to control center. What happened here? And here I will just enable here the option quick settings instant access. Yes, I will do that here because it should be the same on the three devices. And we have here that blur effect for the background. Nice effect, but nothing special. Let's check it here. Again, nice effect, nothing special. So the zooming in and out effect of the wallpaper here on the Huawei device is probably the best of the three. But now let's check it here what Oppo are doing. How the background is blurred and you can see how the icons are moving. I like that too. Let's check it here to stop that quick settings instant access. And now here the animation is more straight, but here you can see what happened, how everything is moving, like the whole tiles are live and so on. So I like it really. Let's go into dark mode. It is just a simple on and off, and let's do that here. Just on and off, nothing special, but I want to show you how Huawei are doing this. Let me just expand it, and when you enable dark mode you can see how the icons are moving. This is a very nice effect, so again a point here for Huawei. Now let's do something important. Let's open recent application. Here, yes, we have the effect, but nothing special. Let's do that here. Yes, we have some zooming in and out, but nothing special. But let's do that here. You can see how the icons on the bottom, recent icons, are opening. And let's do that one more time. You can see how they are appear very nice and beautiful. And here I want to mention the haptics. Haptics on the Oppo and OnePlus, ColorOS and OxygenOS are just perfect. When you are scrolling here, you have that haptics. Small haptic vibration, but very nice. I'm continuing to saying Oppo and OnePlus because they are just the same. ColorOS and OxygenOS are just the same thing. Let's just scroll here and let's do something else. Let's grab an application. You can see here we have a different effect. Let's do here on Samsung. Again, you can see how it's sharpening the corners of the app just to fit the screen. So, to be honest, this is something which Samsung are doing, and it's very good. I was thinking at the beginning it's not, but I think it's good because you can see how the corners are going sharp and now they are fitting the screen, which is something good. Let's do something interesting. Let's hold here on the settings. You can see how the menu is appearing. Let's do the same here. Here, less options we have, but the animation of appearing the menu is nice. Let's do that here. Again, I think the smoothest one is here on the Pura and EMUI. By the way, this EMUI 14.2 is just HarmonyOS, so I think they are now the same operating system. HarmonyOS next is something else, but we are speaking about the regular version of HarmonyOS. So these are the animations of opening and closing, and now I will do the test with the quick open and closing application because it is very interesting. I will do that with settings because Oppo claims they improve the touch responsiveness of opening and closing applications. So I will do that with settings application. Let's just tap and close. Very quick, I will try to do this. You can see OneUI 6.1 has that problem when it's just trying to finish the animation of opening, so it needs to wait the whole application to open and then it starts closing, which is not very good in terms of smoothness. Now they fix it, of course, but you can see I can, with my simple eye, even without slowing down the video, I can see that we have some frame drops here when you are doing that quickly. Of course, guys, at the end of the video I will do a slow motion video recording all these openings and closings. Let's do that here, because here it is the best one. You can see how quickly it responds and closes the apps, even if it's still in a small, very small window. Let's do it one more time. You can see almost not opening and it is immediately closing, and you can see that beautiful animation. So the best in terms of responsiveness when you are touching the apps is here OnePlus 12 and OxygenOS. Here on EMUI it is just straight animation. First it's opening the menu, but when you move your finger it is just move, nothing special. Let's do it here. Again, nothing special, it is blurring the background when you are moving. Let's do it now here. You can see how it is a very nice animation of the background. It is moving the whole background and blurring it. Also, you can see when you are trying to put it on another app, like to make it in a folder, you can see this beautiful animation when the folder is appearing. Let's test that here. We have that animation here. It is smooth, but it's not as good as on the OxygenOS. Here it is. I just don't like this. The best one is here. So guys, to me OxygenOS, the latest version, the latest update 14.08 something, it is very smooth and good. Now I will stack next to each other every device and do a slow motion recording of all these three, just opening and closing the apps, and check which is better. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.